Imagine this scenario: you're a proud owner of a WordPress site and suddenly it goes offline due to a DDoS super attack. Sounds like a nightmare, doesn't it? A DDoS, or distributed denial of service attack, is a digital onslaught that can bring your site to its knees, making it inaccessible to your visitors. This cyber attack is more than just a temporary inconvenience. Imagine the potential loss of revenue if your online store is down, or the erosion of customer trust when your blog is unavailable. The impact of such an attack can be devastating, rippling out to affect every aspect of your online presence. The nightmare of a DDoS attack can make your site a digital ghost town. But don't worry, there's a way to avoid this digital apocalypse. Let's find out how. In the face of a DDoS attack, your WordPress site needs a protective shield. This shield comes in the form of security plugins like WordFence and Jetpack. These plugins serve as vigilant guards, consistently monitoring your site for any signs of a DDoS attack. WordFence, for instance, offers real-time monitoring, keeping an eye on every single movement on your website, identifying and blocking any suspicious activity. It's like having your very own security guard patrolling your site 24/7. Then there's Jetpack. It's not just a plugin, it's a multifunctional security suite. One of its key features is its advanced firewall protection. It filters and blocks malicious traffic even before it reaches your site. Plus, it has a malware scanning feature that routinely checks your site for any harmful code or potential threats. However, these powerful tools can only protect your site if they're up to date, so regular updates are crucial. You wouldn't leave your front door unlocked, would you? Not updating your security plugins is like doing just that. Just as you wouldn't risk leaving your house open to thieves, your website shouldn't be left open to cyber attacks. Regular updates act as the locks on the door of your website, providing optimal protection against potential threats. When we neglect to update our WordPress site and its security plugins, we expose ourselves to a myriad of potential risks, including compatibility issues and vulnerabilities to new types of cyber attacks. Updates are not just about adding new features, they're primarily about fixing bugs and patching security holes. They're the developer's response to the ever-evolving world of cyber threats. Think of it this way: every update missed is a potential security hole left unpatched, an opportunity for cyber attackers to exploit. So remember, an updated site is a secure site. But there's one more thing you can do to safeguard your WordPress site. When a storm is coming, you take shelter. In the digital world, that shelter is Cloudflare's Under Attack mode. This feature is like a knight in shining armor, ready to defend your website against the onslaught of a DDoS attack. It's not just a shield, it's a high-tech fortress that springs into action within seconds of detecting an attack. Cloudflare's Under Attack mode is a master of disguise, able to differentiate between legitimate traffic and malicious bots. This ensures that your real visitors aren't turned away at the door, while the troublemakers are kept out. It's a fast, effective solution that allows you to regain control of your site swiftly and securely. Its magic lies not just in its speed, but also in its adaptability. Whether it's a small-scale skirmish or a full-blown siege, the Under Attack mode adjusts its defense mechanisms accordingly. By combining the power of updated security plugins and Cloudflare's Under Attack mode, you can protect your WordPress site from the nightmare of a DDoS super attack. As we navigate through the stormy seas of cyber threats, your support fuels our journey. A simple click on the subscribe button is like a beacon of light guiding us forward. As the animation pops up on the screen showing a bright red subscribe button, the voiceover continues. By subscribing to our channel, you become a part of our digital fortress. You get access to the latest insights, tips, and solutions, helping you stay one step ahead of the cyber threats. With your subscription, we can continue to provide you with high-quality content and useful information that empowers you to safeguard your online presence. So, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and join us in our mission to make the digital world a safer place. Remember, in the battle against cyber threats, every click counts. The animation fades out, leaving the viewers with a sense of belonging and the knowledge that their support is crucial in this digital battle.